Yo guys, welcome to a brand new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can download DaVinci Resolve, a free editing software, for free of course. Many people think that this video editing software is not for free and that you have to pay legitly $300, but no, this is not. We're also not going to download a crack version, of course. We are not evil or something. We are going to stay legal. We are going to download a version of DaVinci Resolve made by DaVinci Resolve itself, the makers, but it's not the studio version. So basically guys, when I'm in my browser, I want to type in DaVinci Resolve, and once we did that, we want to click on the first link, which is DaVinci Resolve 17 Black Magic Design. Once we click on this, you want to scroll down. You see the video right here. You want to scroll down, and then you see that you have a $300 version, which is the studio version. But we don't want to click on this. You want to click on the arrow, the drop down arrow with free download now. You want to click on this, and then you will see DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio 17. The studio version is $300. The normal version isn't. So guys, you want to click on Windows, Linux or Mac OS X, whatever your device is. If you have a Mac or a Chromebook, I think this will work. Yeah, and Linux will also work for the Chromebook. You just have to find out yourself. Maybe I'll make a tutorial about that as well. But if you have a Windows PC, just like me, which is also the best for video editing, well, no, actually Mac is good for video editing too. But if you have a Windows PC, just like me, you should click on the Windows button. You're going to have a zip file, and then you have to extract it. Of course, I am not going to do this right now because I already have the program, as you can see on the bottom bar. So that's really easy. If you still have questions about that, make sure to comment it, and then I'll see you guys in the next part. The next part is all about the basics in DaVinci Resolve, and we're going to go over a full course on how to become a professional video editor in DaVinci Resolve. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.